dangerous. Okay, there we go. Speedy Bee. I'm excited, and you wouldn't believe how excited I am. This is cool. Part of 3 of the video, and this is awesome. So let's dive in the box in a second. All right, let's grab this good old knife. There's areas here where I should be able to puncture this thing without breaking it. There's QR codes for Facebook, the Speedy Bee app, and the Flex 25. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. This looks cool, guys. Speedy Bee Flex 25. There's some kind of thing on the side here. But the VTX, gosh.
Likey.